Hello and welcome back to my channel for some more Christmas in July. This thing is hot. Okay. So, what we're going to do is make a basket decor for, say, for instance, your bathroom, on the counter in your bathroom during Christmas. Or you can put it wherever you want to. And I'm going to use these clear plastic ornaments. I have flat ornaments, I have round ornaments. This is like a 3-inch, 3-inch. Then I have a smaller 2-inch, and these have the smaller ends on them. So, I'm going to use these. Now, what I'm going to do on these is I'm going to take my Elmer's adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray inside my ornaments and put some red, different red. This is a fine red glitter, and this is like a confetti type glitter. It's a chunk glitter, confetti glitter. And with this glitter, I'm only going to do half of the ornament, and I will show you why. We've got a ribbon, which we're going to put this on the outside of our basket. We have our lights, and we've got a lot of lights here. We're going to use this in our decoration. So, I thank you for coming back and viewing my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so at this time. And let me show you my lights. Isn't that beautiful? That's so pretty. But it's got 8 different settings. There's the second one. Here's the third one. The fourth one. Slow glow. Chasing flash. Slow fade. Twinkle flash. Steady on. And off. All right. First, we're gonna put some sparkly in our ornaments. I'm gonna give you a time lapse on decorating the ornaments. I do have a video out there that shows you how to decorate the ornaments this way, and I'll put that in the description box. Here we go. All right, we've got all our ornaments with some form of glitter, whether it's the confetti glitter or the fine red glitter. Got some of them halfway, got them full, got them halfway here, got a little bit of more in there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, so how I'm gonna run the lights is this. This is a set of wire lights, and I can take this wire set of lights and put them down into my ornaments as much as I want to put in there, just like that. Stick it down in there. Take my top, easy way to do this is to squeeze that, pull it out a little bit, put your lid down on there, and put the wire in between the little flaps. Okay, and tighten it down. All right, I got all my lights in my ornaments, and I have lights a little bit of lights left over, but that's fine. I'd rather have lights left over than not have enough lights. I've also cut off the little silver cord that was on all of them, and I'm going to add a red ribbon to the end, put a little bow on the end of each one of my ornament tops to add some more dimension to my piece. Uh-oh, got my wire sticking on the outside there. There we go. That's in and it's inside. So I have all my pieces, all my all my pieces, all my ornaments connected to this wire of lights. I know I said I was going to use this pail for the inside of my basket, but I thought of something else. I have some Polyfill, I think that's what you call it. Yep, some Polyfill that I had left over from doing some pillows. And I think I'm going to put this inside the basket. So before I put that in, I'm going to put the battery charger, or the batteries, which is the source of our lights. I had lights left over, not much, but some. I'm gonna put these down here inside of the basket as well before I put the Polyfill in. Then I'm gonna add the Polyfill. Now I'm gonna start adding. Before I do that, I'm gonna add some ribbon to our ornaments. These look fun and colorful. Instead of just doing the regular red ribbons, I think I'm just going to cut off. Let's see if these are a different one. Oh, that is different. I'm going to use these and put these on, excuse me, the ends of my ornaments and tie a little bow. I get my scissors. Alright, so when I tied my ribbon on here, I make sure that my right side was up, and I fold my ribbon, and when I'm bringing it through the hoop, I'm turning the right side back on the right side of the bow, and then as I take it through the loop to make my loop, I twist the ribbon so it's back on the right side again. And that's how I'm getting my ribbons, my bows with the print, not only on both of the loops, but also on the strips hanging out. Okay, my Polyfill is in the basket. I've put the end of the wire that's the residual inside of the Polyfill down at the bottom. And now I'm just going to stack my ornaments on here. If I have to push them down, then I'll push them down. I think this Polyfill was a good idea. It helps with the design. It just looks better to me. But maybe I've got too much of it in here. Let me pull some of it out. There we go. I'll pour a little glue gun. I've had it for so long. It's about to, I probably need to retire it. It's just dripping glue and everything else. I'm gonna put some glue along the top of my ribbon. And I want it to fall here. I got a battery pack. I'll stick this in the back. The extra wire is already down up under the Polyfill. gonna stick this down here. We're gonna turn it around the opposite direction. So all we gotta do is push the button. Start adding our ornaments. And I'm just gonna put them up here right now. And then as I got them where I want them, so it looks nice, then I will glue them to each other. I have the confetti glitter and then the fine glitter. It doesn't matter. If I get them in opposite places and they're not side by side, that's great, but I'm not gonna sweat it. So not everything is glued, but enough for the design to stay as is. Put it that way. And I've got my ribbons on here, which gives it another some more definition. I like the basket the way it is, full of ornaments and all the little ribbons hanging off of it. Let's see what it looks like with the lights on. So we turn around where we've got our battery pack, and let's turn the lights on random. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That is really cute. Then it can go on your well, it can go on the back of your toilet. It can go on your sink, your countersink, countersink. It can go on the counter where your sink is, whichever way you want to do it. And you don't have to get lights that do as I have these lights doing. You can get the solid lights, the ones with the remote control, the ones with a timer on it. Timer would be great. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. I'm going to show you how that confetti glitter, you see how it's reflecting inside as well on the very outside of the ornament? That's why I wanted to put that halfway in, or halfway on, so it's not covering the whole ornament. So when the light hits it, it reflects from the other side as well. And there is the fine. That's really pretty. Well, thank you for tuning in again and viewing my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you for our next Christmas in July. Enjoy and share.